Hey, this is Chris with Hi-Lux Optics. We're doing some testing for our TD-3 red dot sight. I'm shooting the Glock 17 and we just got these steel targets. It's time to break them in. So all these drills we're going to be shooting from 5 yards away. All of them we're going to be drawn from the holster. The first one is the headshot drill. One shot to the 3-inch circle to the head. I'm going to shoot for the swinger. Next drill we're going to do is the double tap. 2 shots center of mass on the half-size IPSC target. Two, one. This next drill is the failure drill. 2 to the chest, 1 to the head. Got him in the head. Next drill is the reload drill. We're going to shoot 2 center of mass on the IPSC target. Reload, and then shoot 2 more on the 8-inch steel. All right. The last drill we're going to run today is the build drill. 6 shots, center of mass, from 5 yards. So those were the 5 drills. Overall, I think I did all right. I need to be a little bit cleaner on my trigger brake and smoother on my transitions. I got some ammo left, so let's clear the targets.